Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. Dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the last lecture, we studied the electrochemical industries. Today, we will focus on one very important industrial process, which is the manufacture of sodium metal from fused NaCl. So, let's start step by step. Introduction: sodium is a very reactive alkali metal, so it cannot be obtained by ordinary chemical reduction. By ordinary chemical reduction of its compounds, the most practical method is electrolysis of fused sodium chloride, mean NaCl. This method is carried out on the non-cell. Definition: the process of obtaining pure sodium metal by the electrolysis of fused NaCl is known as the Down process. Why fuse NaCl? Because pure NaCl has a very high melting points, approximately at 01 degrees centigrade. To reduce the temperature of calcium chloride is maxed with NaCl. This lowers the melting points to around 600 degrees centigrade, making the process economicals. Construction of down cell cathodes iron rods where sodium metal is deposited, anode graphite where chlorine gas is liberated. The cell is lined with steel and kept at a high temperature. Molten NaCl plus calcium chloride mixture is used as electrolyte. So this is a down cell, and this one is inlet for NaCl, and here cell 2 gas as release outlet for cell tube, and this is a molten NaCl, and this is a carbon anode, and this is iron cathode, and from here a pure sodium metal is obtained. Now reaction and down cells: at cathode radiation, sodium ions plus electron gap sodium metal is deposited at the cathode. At anode oxidation, 2 cell negative gap Cl2 plus 2 electron. Chlorine gas is liberated at the anode. Oral reaction: 2 NaCl gap 2 and A plus Cl2. Sodium metal is obtained as the main product. Chlorine gas is obtained as a valuable byproduct. Now, uses of products: sodium metal. Sodium metal used in making sodium compounds, mean NaOH and Na2O2, also used as a reducing agent in metallurgy. And third one is used in heat transfer and nuclear reactor. And chlorine gas used in disinfectant and bleaching, also used in the manufacture of PVC, plastic, and HCl. Advantages of Down process: continuous and economical production. Both sodium and chlorine are valuable industrial products. Limitations: very high energy consumption in electricity, and sodium is highly reactive and needs safe handling. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on the manufacture of sodium metal from fused NaCl. I hope you're understanding. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. And comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.